Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Decimate modifier. Decimate modifier is like a modifier that I think the gamers use so they can make the mesh or vertices count number or the numbers less. So it seems like, for example, let me show you. If I put a, let me put a UV sphere here. For example, I'll go to Decimate modifier. If I go to make it less, you can see that the edges will be less and vertices will be less. These the game designers do this so they can get a high so they make the laptop run well, so it will not make it hard to run. Okay, so for example, if I go here, you can see that it's a UV sphere. Even if I make it more, you can see it's a UV sphere, isn't it? Like this. Maybe they will put it on this amount so they can see it's a ball. This is for far away objects. If you go to near, you should make it higher. Okay, like this. From far I can see it's like a ball, but when I come to here, it's not a ball. It's like icosahedron shape. If I have to make it detailed, it should be near to me when I am playing, or when I am rendering, it should be near to me. If it's far, it should be less. Okay, and we have unsubdivision. We had division. See, when we are going to here, we can subdivide, but we have unsubdivide. This will make it same process. It will make it less. You see, make it less. And this is collapse, and this is planar. Make it planar till it will disappear. So what makes you happy, do it. That's my suggestion. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.